What's going on, everybody? Magnus here. Today I just thought I would show off this desk I made for the shop. I want to start doing some live streaming, so I'm going to start adding some features like a desk for my computer to go on. And so instead of spending $200 on a desk, I decided to be smart and instead spend $200 on supplies for a desk and take like a day building the desk.
There's a few different thicknesses and lots of different options for the brackets themselves. You can make all sorts of different projects with this. I'm not making anything specific here, I'm just showing you how it goes together. I didn't want to get too crazy with showing you a whole build video on this project. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to figure out how you want to set up your pipe and screw them together, and then what kind of tabletop you want.
Some of you guys may or may not know that I've got the same pipe strung up around my shop. I'm going to add more of it so I can attach my camera at different angles for filming. So not only do I use it for camera mounts, but I'm going to use it now for this computer desk, and I'm also going to make some shelves with it. So there'll be like the L bracket into the wall and put some shelves up and around. Anyways, I'm rambling a bit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. These are really easy to make this kind of stuff. So if you just go buy some pipes from your local hardware store and some wood and some stain and some finish, a couple screws, you're good to go. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Hopefully I'll have a new build video for you really soon. And keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.